The Maroons of Motown in Portland are descendants of runaway enslaved Africans on the plantations of Jamaica. I, as a linguist, became interested in the community on reading a 1981 article by Kenneth Bilby entitled How the Older Heads Talk. The article suggested that in addition to regular Jamaican Creole, there were two other languages in use in the community. One language was Kromanti, clearly related to the Akan language cluster spoken in modern-day Ghana. This language was used by the Maroons to communicate with their African-born ancestors. The other language was Maroon Spirit language, as Bilby called it, or as the people called it, old-time patois. That language they used to communicate with their Jamaican-born ancestors. My question was this for real? No linguist before or since has ever recorded in Jamaica a language like Maroon Spirit language. It was so different from regular Jamaican Creole and so similar to the Creole languages of Suriname that one couldn't help but ask the question, did Bilby make this thing up? So, with the permission of the Maroon Council in Motown, we headed into the John Crow Mountains of Portland to investigate this language. Mr. Isaac Bernard, one of the older heads still alive, opened a window through which we could hear and see how the older heads talk. The rain had fallen the night before and most of the day. It had stopped falling just around 4 p.m. when the Colonel, along with some other Maroon guides, took us on the 1.5-hour trek to Comfort Castle, where Mr. Isaac Bernard lived. Grande Coto Grande, the Maroon name for the Rio Grande River, and all its tributaries were in full swing.
There was water everywhere, shooting out of every crevice in the hilly terrain. Maybe that was a good sign, since we had gone to research the language of Mr. Bernard's ancestors, Kromanti. We had traveled with the rum necessary to keep the ancestors happy, and nature was giving us the other means of doing so, the water.
Mr. tell you that?
Yes, tell me.
No.
You not tell me?
No.
What make?
Mr. Bernard and the culture he represents is not just skilled in communication, it also places a high value on silence.
Mr. Taka everything to Goni.
Yeah, you know Sataka everything. Chamu chamu.
Chamu ye too.
Yeah, no so.
That term was often translated to us as talk some, leave some, which means that some things are better left unspoken.
Anyway, they like to see what one. When you know I come up here, you don't miss nobody.
Where? Yeah, so?
No.
But else? We see enough people. Enough summer, plenty summer.
Summer walk away you come in.
Summer walk away we.
And the only son of us, my boys are language. There are some good girls there with you.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, like them. But one of them near me, he look at me special. At me left hand.
We can left hand. You love him?
Aye. Boy, don't know me, oh, me say some days another dash, you know me, you say. I don't want to let him go away. And I want to tell you, inhabitants said they gotta go away for him. And him sing and call and tell him, said they gotta go. You hear the word them sing, said what? Breaking gotta go, man, you don't know me. Gotta go for him, and I know him. I want to feel him now, good enough. So they say, some days another, you know, you when you feel it. Some days another dasha, you know me. Some days another, you know me. Oh, say some days another body boy, you know me. You say, can you ma? I want you to say, you know. I want you to say, what did they make you? Can you ma? Let me tell you, can you ma? Me tell you, can you ma? Let me tell you, can you ma? So you think you go taka no?